Hey everybody, my name is Brenda Tringali. I'm a professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. Due to COVID-19 and social isolation, our normal lives and schedules have been totally disrupted. I've heard from many of you that you're not focused and you're not managing your time well. I want to help. Since I can't do that in person right now, I'm doing it virtually by creating a series of videos. My goal is to help you get and stay more organized and productive. This week, I'll start the series by talking about goal setting. So, what problems result if you don't have clearly defined goals? Well, you waste precious time doing the wrong things, it takes longer to do what you should, or maybe you never even achieve those goals. So, my pro tips will be the solutions to those problems. This week, I'm going to teach you how to clearly define your goals. And what are the benefits of having clearly defined goals? I have to touch on those. So obviously you will be more focused. You will spend your time doing the right things. You should make progress on your goal. You should feel empowered and confident. And as a result of your attraction that you're gaining, you'll be more motivated to achieve even other goals. So here's your homework for today. I want you to start brainstorming ideas of goals that you want or need to achieve. In other words, what problems do you want or need to solve that are either organizing related or productivity related? So let me give you an example of each. Organizing related, maybe you waste time looking for important documents or paperwork, so your goal is to declutter or organize your desk or your office. Or productivity related, maybe you only get through a quarter of the things on your daily to-do list, so your goal is to work on task or time management. Those are just a couple of examples. So in summary, you have your assignment. Do a brain dump of the possible goals you want to achieve that are organizing or productivity related. Then tune in tomorrow for the next step in this process. If you have questions, please post them below. And I just want you to know that I thank you so much for watching. I would ask that you share this if you know of others who could benefit from my videos. And I'm just so grateful to you for all of your support. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Bye.